Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a really cool glitch text effect in Canva. So let's get started. First, I do recommend starting with a blank new template. For example, this is actually a background image, so I'm going to remove it. We don't need that, but I'm going to use a black background color because the text that I'm going to insert is going to be a white text. And after that, let's go to text and you can insert a, let's say, a heading, and then you can type the text that you want to create the glitchy text effect. I'm going to call this one subscribe, and I'm going to change the font into something different. I guess I'm going to go with Click Spartan. I think it looks really cool. And let's make it bigger. And also, when you're done, you can go to share, download, and then make sure to select the file type as PNG. And transparent background, it's enabled, and click download. So basically what we are trying to do now is we are converting this regular text into an image, because if you have an image element, that's going to be a lot easier to customize compared to text. So after that, I'm going to remove this text because we don't need that. Now let's upload the text right here. I just need to drag and drop, and I'm going to put this text in the center. Well, this is not text anymore, this is actually an image. So after that, you can click edit, and you want to go to app section right here, and let's start with Trippify. Sorry, Trippy, not Trippify. And that is the app that you have to install. And after that, you can see that there are different options that you could apply to this text. There is this split effect, there is this far-right effect, there is this trace, opal. Well, there are plenty of options basically, but let's start with something a little subtle like this radiate effect. I think I prefer this one. You can also add some jittery, like there's this splice right here. There's kind of split between this section and this section. I think it looks really cool. And there's this solarize, but okay, this is RGB shift. It's just the color that you want to apply. And after that, you can click save. The image is actually now being uploaded to Canva, but you can actually add another text effect. So let's go back. I'm going to add another one that's kind of similar, but it is for slicing the text. Click slice, and I'm going to try adding this effect, but I'm going to reduce the number. I still want to make sure that it is visible. Yeah, I think it looks really good. Okay, so click save again, and we got this nice result. This is the text that looks glitchy, but I think it looks really cool. So that is how you can create a glitch text effect in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and please consider subscribing to this channel if you want to see more like this. And I'll see you on the next video.